Hello first grade, Mrs. Tremere here to read you Caterpillar to Butterfly. Boys and girls, this is a nonfiction book, and so I want to remind you about some of the text features that we've been learning about in school. This is the table of contents. It's usually found in fiction books too, but it's a lot of times found in nonfiction books, and it'll tell the headings, what you're going to learn about in the book, and then also the page numbers of where to find that information. Riddle. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? A butterfly. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors, some have bold patterns too. See there, the illustrator drew lines between the butterflies so you could illustrate their loops. There are 4 stages. It is also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. And here we have a diagram. It's important to always read everything on the page, especially for nonfiction books, because some of the information is going to be found in the pictures or in diagrams. So here we have the first stage, which is egg. Stage 2, caterpillar. Stage 3 is chrysalis. And here this is a pronunciation key. It tells you how to read it. Say chrysalis. Here's how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. And stage 4 is a butterfly. And here's a catchword, and it is stages. This is going to be an important vocabulary word. Steps of how something grows. And then down here, we have a label underneath this butterfly. This is a picture of a monarch butterfly. Stage 1, egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food that is. Butterfly eggs come in all different shapes. And then there's another label on this photograph that shows you what kind of butterfly this is. It's a Malian egg fly butterfly. So all of these little dots here are eggs. And the butterfly lays them on the leaf so that when the caterpillars come out of the eggs, they have something to eat as soon as they're born. So this is how this butterfly's eggs look. And over here you can see different types of eggs from different types of butterflies. It's pretty cool. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell, then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too. They eat and eat and eat. So here are 2 photographs. One of them, this one here, is a picture of the caterpillars biting their way out of their egg, and the other photograph is a picture of caterpillars eating the leaf. They're very hungry. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. So this photograph, again, another important text feature, photograph, has a label on there. Down here that tells what kind of butterfly it is. This is a small white butterfly caterpillar, and then up here at the top there's a picture of the old skin. Kind of yucky. Chrysalis, stage 3. By now the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. So boys and girls, the last stage of a caterpillar's time when it sheds its skin, when it comes into its chrysalis, that chrysalis is actually its skin. So its entire body is changing on the inside of its skin. Stage 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. This particular butterfly is called a Julia butterfly. It's the same type of butterfly on both photographs. Pretty amazing. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp. Here, I'm going to hold it really close so you can see that butterfly using the tube to reach down into that flower and slurp the yummy goodness out of there. Nectar is a sugary liquid found in flowers, down there in that catchword, that important vocabulary word. Cool butterfly facts. Number 1. Butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. Number 2. The world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. It is the length of a pushpin from wing to wing. So if you hold it this way. Number 3. Butterflies are found all over the world, except in Antarctica and in the driest deserts. Number 4. There are 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Number 5. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. How would you like to have to taste with your feet? Before you can put it in your mouth, you'd have to put it on your foot to see if it tastes good. Number 6. The world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. So 12 inches long. So here are the pictures that go with all those facts. There's the butterfly scales. There's the blue pygmy butterfly. There's the picture that shows that they don't live in the desert or Antarctica. There you can see there are 17,000 different kinds of butterflies. There we see the butterfly tasting with its feet. And there's a picture of the Alexandra birdwing, which is 12 inches across. That's pretty amazing. Back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators. They have tricks to keep those predators away. Some hide using camouflage. Some can be deadly to eat. Some look like other things. I'm going to cover this picture real quick. I want you to first look at this side, and you can see the camouflage. And then look at that one. That one's a poisonous caterpillar. And then take a look at this caterpillar. Oh my, what does it look like? That's right, a snake. That would scare somebody for sure. It would certainly scare away another animal. They wouldn't want to mess with that thing. Catchwords: camouflage, an animal's natural color or shape that helps it hide from an enemy. And a predator is an animal that eats other animals. Wow. Moth or butterfly? Moths and butterflies look alike. Here's how you can tell them apart. A butterfly The bodies are slender or skinny. They can be brightly colored. They mostly fly during the day, and the antennae are thin and have little knobs at the end. And here's a moth. Moths, their antennae are slim to a point and look like feathers. Their bodies are fat and furry. They mostly fly at night, and they're usually brown, tan, or white. Bring butterflies to you. You can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a butterfly garden. But first, ask an adult for help. Here's what you'll need. And then this text feature, they made a diagram that looks like a list. Plants that are local to your area, plants that bloom at different times, orange, purple, yellow, pink, and red flowers, flowers that are clustered together, flat-topped flowers, a sunny spot for butterflies to rest, like a flat stone, a wet or watery spot for butterflies to drink, and no chemicals, which can kill butterflies and caterpillars. And there is a picture of a swallowtail butterfly on this page. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of butterfly things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. So I'm going to show you the picture and read you the hint. Number 1, a caterpillar starts here. What do you think that is? Get your guess in mind. Number 2, big changes happen inside. What is that called that a butterfly goes into its last skin stage? All right, get your answer in your mind. Number 3, it's an all-day eater. Number 4, it's covered with scales. Number 5, it uses this to hide from predators. And number 6, you won't find these on your head. All right, let's see if your guesses were right. So number 1 was an egg. Number 2, chrysalis. Number 3, caterpillar. Number 4, what's covered with scales? They're wings. Number 5, it uses camouflage to hide from predators. And number 6, those things are called antennae. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed learning about butterflies today from our story, Caterpillar to Butterfly. And this week, I hope you see lots of cool videos and have lots of awesome discussions with your families about a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. Pretty awesome. I will see you later. Have a great week.